everyone, welcome back to Usha'll Try. We are now on the 10th episode of the recipe challenge. Woohoo! And so for this recipe, I'm gonna do a Turkish one that involves zucchinis or courgette. So I'm doing a traditional Turkish fritter or pancake, as some people call it, or even better, hash browns. And it's called Mücver or Mücver, and I hope I at least got one right. I practiced for half an hour. But as much as it's difficult to pronounce, the recipe is actually very simple. You just need the zucchini, and then you have like the herbs, which are like spring onions, parsley, dill, and then feta cheese, salt and pepper, and then you just combine it with flour and eggs. And there you go, you already have a vegetable hash brown. And for this recipe, I added carrot as well to boost that flavor. So let me show you how I actually did mücver. So for this recipe, we're going to use 3 medium to large size zucchinis, 3 eggs as well, flour, a bunch of spring onions, 1 carrot, feta cheese, and a bunch of parsley and dill, and of course salt and pepper. Let's get started.